Supply chain attacks are growing in numbers, and hackers don't discriminate against any of the programming languages available. Even if JavaScript, Python, or Rust were also targeted, probably Solarwind or Log4Shell are some of the most famous ones, hence Java is also targeted. So, in the era of weaponized dependencies, it is important to know what is hidden under the hood. Andres Almiray is a long-term coder that has an interesting hobby, building software tools. Jarviz is the last one he released with the intention of providing a tool that allows information extraction from Java archive files. Jars are the main way through which Java dependencies are delivered. The new CLI tool provides some features to make life easier for the curious programmer. Identify which class in a package is being built with a particular version of bytecode. Usual suspects are the versions related to Java 8, namely version 53. Download the jar file either by pointing to the right URL or just by providing the proper indicators for the given library. In that case, it will download from a Maven repo. Is a service implemented in a package, and if it is, which is the class that implements it? And the last but not least of the features is checking the attributes available in the attached manifest file. The tool is just at its first release, and any suggestion or issue reported is appreciated. For instance, what I intend to ask the maintainer is whether it will be possible to check whether a package is reproducible or not. This was Olimpiu Pop reporting from Transylvania, Romania.
Listen to today's entire episode of It's 505 on your favorite podcast platform.